Blending retro motorcycle aesthetics with e-bike power, it redefines personalized rides for city streets and school runs. The all-new Heybike Titan boasts vintage moto styling and e-bike performance, turning heads everywhere. Equipped with a full-size 700mm motorcycle-style wide handlebar, 20x4-inch fat tires, and a low-slung frame, it delivers striking visuals alongside confident handling and stability. Dual suspension front and rear, hydraulic shocks effectively absorbs road bumps, delivering a steady, comfortable ride on uneven and rough terrain. Titan reaches a top speed of 20 miles per hour, equipped with a rear-mounted 750-watt nominal motor that peaks at 1,500 watts and delivers 65 Newton-meters torque. It enables effortless starts and steady climbing on steep inclines. A high-definition LED display presents real-time ride metrics at a glance, while seamless connectivity with the Heybike app unlocks complete smart control. The hydraulic braking system offers fast response and shorter stopping distances, ensuring total safety on every ride. Titan features an ergonomic padded cruiser seat with an 800 pounds maximum load capacity, fitting riders from 160 centimeters to 190 centimeters. A bright front LED headlight provides excellent visibility, ensuring safe travel both in daylight and after dark. The bike meets UL 2849 battery safety standards for worry-free rides. Titan provides single and dual battery choices. 48 volts, 15 ampere hours delivers up to 40 miles. Upgrade to the 48 volts, 30 ampere hours dual battery for up to 80 miles, supporting all-day uninterrupted rides. Its 1050mm ultra-short wheelbase frame enables nimble, responsive steering, perfect for weaving through city blocks and campus routes. The bike frame features ample space for you to design your own style using stickers and custom paint. Retro-moto styling, powerful performance, and long range. This is the Heybike Titan. Built for young riders, school commutes, and group urban rides, it's a city cruiser e-bike blending standout looks with practicality.